Boom!
Welcome back.
Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a big one. It's a Match Attax Extra 22-23 opening. We've got an Eco Pack, we've got a Multipack, and we've got a Mega Multipack. These are what's left over from our starter bundles that we got from the Topps website. And also, we've got the magic envelope here with the blue limited editions in, which we haven't opened yet. So we're going to open all of these, and you're going to want to stick around till the end to see what the blue limited editions are like. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's open all these up. If you would like to see more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe while we're opening them up, and then we'll get started. Let's go! Right, so we've opened all the packaging. We've got 10 normal packs. We've got 2 limited edition packs, and then there was a loose limited edition in the Eco Pack box that's underneath there. So we'll reveal that at the end when we do all the limited editions. I'll move them back. And do you want to go first or do you want to go second?
First.
There you go, mate. Off you go. So what are we hoping for? What are we hoping for? Chromes, black edges. You're not even on the camera. What are you doing here, lad? Chromes, black edges. Heritages are hard to find, so I wouldn't mind getting a few of those. 100 clubs? Come on then.
Myers, Cancelo,
Amarim. Lift them up, mate.
Furashi, Koke, Dumfries, Bellingham, Milik, Mahrez,
Squad zone.
Mega value of Kesa.
Put them over here, bud, on the middle of the camera. That's it.
Out of this world.
Royce.
And
Sorry.
manager, sorry.
Crystal Parallel. We've got some shine going on at the back here.
Heritage.
Heritage, do you reckon? Right, we're starting with a manager, Graham Potter. Jurgen Klopp. Performance boost, Pellegrini. Squad update, Kubo. Teze. Nkunku. Soler. Morales. Martinelli, squad zone. Mega value, Koulibaly. Out of this world, legend, Gaza. Jeez. And then we've got Schlotterbeck, Heritage.
That's cool.
It is, isn't it? He's got a bit of a damage on it, like, but that's all right. Just turn them two over. Oh, all right, okay, go on then. And Bobby,
Firmino, Schumacher, Adoy,
Nagelsmann,
Ikozi,
Inzaghi,
Max,
Soler,
Morales,
Matic,
Mega Value, Brozovic, Out This World, Soboslai, and Frankie de
Jong.
Has he squad update?
I don't know.
Because he was at that club.
Well, maybe he just got a new number or something like that. Or maybe, I don't know. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Oh, I spot something in there that is not a square shaped. So this looks like a chrome pack. Guardiola, Ten Hag, Inacio, Postecoglou, Rose, Vinny Jr. It's very blue as well. Do you reckon it could be numbered? Frankie de Jong. I know they've got a lot of colour anyway, so I don't think so. Dahlberg, Mega Values, Latan, and Barella. No numbers. No numbers. Nice hit, though. Can't complain about getting a chrome. And then out of this world, a Campos.
Headline hero, Lewandowski.
Jessel.
Max Rose.
Postecoglou.
Spinazzola. Zinchenko. Jorginho now of Arsenal. Hat-trick hero of Romelu Lukaku.
Yeah, give us some then. Just put them on there, yeah.
Mega Value Diaz. Out of this world, Gavi.
Jeez.
And Makuku Crystal Parallel.
Right, let's see what we've got in this one, if I can open it. Starting with Phil Foden, Starburst, Performance Boost Fernandez, Neres, Headline Hero, Fekir, Performance Boost, João Felix, Away Kit, Simone Inzaghi. Then we've got Daily Blind, Away Kit, Makoku, Squad Update, Squad Zone Danilo, Mega Value Career, Out of This World Neymar Jr., and Crystal Parallel Koke.
Performance Boost.
Right, let's see what we've got going in these ones. Come on.
We've got something going.
What's that? Is it not just an Out of This World? Oh, Black Edge popping out the bottom there. Stop peeking and get on with it. You little cheater.
Sissic. Blind. Barsic.
Gvardiol.
Wirtz.
Upamecano.
Rice. Foden. Martinez. Ruben.
Give me them, because you can't see. I can't see what you can't see on the camera. What you?
Ruben Diaz.
Yeah. Out of This World Havertz. And Martinez. 2 Inter Milan specials there, look.
Didn't expect that.
No. That's good though, wasn't it? A chrome and a black edge. We're getting the hard ones, the ones we need. Some shine in the back there. That probably looks like a heritage to me.
It's another one. Oh, not.
Right, Schroeder, Tuzic, Milinkovic-Savic, Tonali, Headline Hero Upamecano, Goncalves, Skamaka, Guardiola, Abara, Ruben Diaz, Mega Value, Banaka, Heritage, and then Squad Zone, Diaby at the back. It's strange to see that at the back, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we're getting a good mix of cards that we need here, aren't we?
Yep.
Come on. Get them on the camera.
I'm just picking you at the wall the right way. Okafor.
Schroeder.
Kalinoglu. Savic. Mendes. Jorginho. Firmino.
Jeez! Legend. 100 Club. It's a nice one, isn't it? Fernando Torres. What else we got?
Ocampos.
Brozovic. And a Heritage. Lema. I think we've got that one though, haven't we?
And
the Squad Zone Aubameyang.
A back.
Aha, that's good. It's good. We're getting all the ones we need here. These ones aren't easy to get. So the more chromes we get in the packs, and the more 100 clubs and black edges we get in the packs, the better. Right, Guerrero, Mbappe dog, Werner, Ancelotti, Pellegrini, Kubo, that looks like a 100 club again to me, Granit Xhaka, Potter,
Dog.
Figo. Have we got that one?
Yeah.
Have we? Oh, that's a shame, isn't it? And we've got...
It's a 101.
Yeah, I know. Van Dijk, out of this world. Muller, mega value. And squad zone Sanchez. Right.
It's Sancho.
Sancho, sorry. Yes, it is. You're right. Now, what do we want to do here? Do you want to reveal...
I'm going for some revealing.
You reveal the back one. Alright, go on then. You do this.
Yeah, but I'm still revealing the back.
Right, okay, well I'll do the next one then. Come on then.
I'll have this code.
Whoosh. Lukaku, have we got it?
No.
No, good. Let's get it put there. Happy with that.
Ding dong. Oh, he's 21 now. He used to be 17.
Right. Sukic.
Sukic, Kolak, Simons,
Jumanji. He's not called Jumanji. Wanmi. Lift them up then so everyone can see.
Died.
Max, lift them up, mate.
Zinchenko, Jorginho,
Silva.
Silva,
Milinkovic-Savic again.
Savic.
Nemanja Vidic. It's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah. And Moyes manager.
Right, okay. So I'm going to push that one back because you might be able to see it. And then I'm going to open this one here. Which is, I think, the 3 limited edition pack. This is the one I thought you would want to open, but... Right, starting with... I'm going to put this there. Starting with... Whoosh! Delete. You'll see why that's funny in a minute. Put it there, and then we've got... Put that there. Boosh! Bergwijn. Need that. And then finally, we've got... Whoosh! Timo Werner.
That one's a big bear.
I've already got that one.
Yeah.
Have we? And then, the one that was in the Eco Pack, Delict. So we've got that one twice. Duplicate.
And guess what? Well, I think we've already got them in the binder.
Have we? So we've got plenty of them then. So the hits out of that one, we're not finished yet. We've got the blue limited editions to open. But the hits out of the packs, we've got Martinez, Black Edge. We got Barella, Chrome, good hit. 100 Club, Legend, Torres. Unbeatable, 101, Figo. And then we got the 4... Is it 4 or 5 limited editions? 5 limited editions there. So let's get this cracked open. I don't know what they're going to look like inside of here because I haven't opened one of these before. But this should have all of the blue limited editions inside. Which in the last set, the Match Attax 2023 collection, they were an absolute nightmare to find. And they were very, very expensive. Right, so they're all in there. Do you want to just pick one out, mate?
Should go from the back.
Whatever you want, just pick one out.
Because then that way they can't see it straight away.
Who was it? Liverpool. Boom! Darwin Nunez. What number is that one? Number 1.
Number 1.
Right, okay, well I've got the next one here, look. This is Real Madrid midfielder.
Luka.
Who is it?
No.
Camavinga. Blue limited edition. That's number 3, is it?
2.
2. There we go. Who's next?
Zlatan.
Rafael Leao.
Oh, that's number 4.
Number 4, and then number 3 should be this one here. This is... Are you ready for this one? Bayern Munich, forward. Who do you think it should be?
I don't know.
Leroy Sané. So, we've got... Let's have a little look. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the 4 blue limited editions that come with the online starter packs. So, loads of nice cards there. Please like this video if you like this. Subscribe to our channel to see more like this. We've got lots more coming, lots more on the way. And also press that notification bell to be notified when we upload our next video. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.